If your shorts are not getting views in 2026, it's probably because you are uploading them the wrong way. In this video, I will show you the right way to upload your shorts in 2026. To make this simple, we are going to cover the 5 things that matters while uploading your shorts. These are how to make sure your short enters the short shelf, the right way to upload shorts, the first frame rule that boosts retention, and how to win the 90 minutes test window. Now let's start with the biggest change creators don't even know. In 2026, YouTube quietly changed how shorts are being distributed. And this is the part that is catching creators off guard. Every short now goes through a test window. Think of this as a mini audition. YouTube shows your short to a small group of people and watches how they react. If they don't engage, replay, watch long enough, or swipe away, YouTube stops pushing your video. But if they watch past the first few seconds, YouTube expands the audience. And here is the twist. Your upload method affects how YouTube tests your short. If your settings are wrong, your short might not even make it to the short shelf. And if it doesn't enter the short shelf, it will never take off. So before we talk about uploading, you need to understand where shorts actually go. So when you publish your short, it can appear in 3 places, which are the short shelf, the home feed, and the long form feed. Now here is the thing. Only the short shelf gives you the explosive reach. The short shelf is where people are swiping vertically while watching dozens of other videos in minutes. This is where shorts go viral. But here is the problem. If you upload your short incorrectly, YouTube might treat it like a normal video and push it to the long form section. And if that happens, your short is basically invisible. This is why the upload workflow matters. So let me walk you through the exact upload process that ensures your short enters the short shelf anytime you upload. Always make sure you follow these steps anytime you upload. Step number 1 is to confirm your aspect ratio. Before you upload, always check your video aspect ratio. If it's not 9:16, YouTube won't treat your video as a short. I have seen creators upload perfect videos, but because it's 1080x1080 or 1920x1920, YouTube treats such videos as normal. So once that is confirmed, we can move to step number 2, which is your title. Always keep your title simple and clear. Shorts don't need keyword stuffing, they don't need much hashtags, and they don't need long sentences. Just tell YouTube what your video is all about. For example, how to fix blurry shots. Stop doing this when filming. And right under this title is your description. Your description should contain maximum of 2 lines. Shorts don't rely on descriptions for discovery, but they help YouTube to understand the context. Think of your description as a quick hint to the algorithm. For example, this is the correct way to upload shorts in 2026. So now that we have gotten this, let's move to another section, which is tag. This is where people waste time. Tags barely matter for shorts. Just add a couple of tags if you want, but don't stress yourself. If your content is good and your first frame is strong, adding tags or not won't break it. What matters here is your audience setting. If you accidentally select made for kids, your short loses features and reach, and this will definitely affect your distribution. So only choose made for kids only when your content is genuinely made for kids. And right below that is a section most creators miss, which is category. In 2026, the category section helps YouTube understand your niche. If your content is all about teaching, then choose education. If your content is all about tech, then choose science and technology. If you are doing entertainment, choose entertainment. This helps YouTube to cluster your content with similar videos. Now let's talk about thumbnail. Shorts don't show thumbnail on mobile device, but they show on desktop. And desktop viewers behave differently. A clean thumbnail can help your short get more desktop views, which can boost your overall performance. And you can only add thumbnail through the mobile YouTube studio. So once everything looks good, it's time to publish, but not immediately. We are going to use another option, which is called scheduling. Scheduling lets you post your videos when your audience are most active. If your viewers are asleep when you post, your shorts will fail the test window. So schedule your shorts for the time your viewers are active. And all this sets you up for the most important part, which is the first frame rule. What do I mean by the first frame rule? In 2026, YouTube reads the first frame of every short to understand what the video is all about. If your first frame is messy, dark, or confusing, YouTube won't know who to show your content to. Always make sure that your first frame is bright, high contrast, clear, and visually interesting. This alone can boost your retention. Think of your first frame as the thumbnail for the mobile short shelf. This is the first thing people see. It decides whether they swipe or stay. And retention is everything within the first 90 minutes test window. So once your short goes live, YouTube tests it for a very short period of time. During this short period of time, YouTube looks at how many people swiped away, how long they watched, how many people get your video replayed, and how many likes you get. If your short performs well within this window, YouTube now pushes it then to another set of people. Everything you do before hitting publish affects what happens after. So let's wrap this up with a simple checklist. Here is your 10-step upload checklist. Always confirm your aspect ratio. Make sure you have a good first frame. Make sure you have a clear title, good short description, correct audience setting, correct category, thumbnail for desktop. Always schedule your post for peak time, then publish, and always review your retention after 24 hours. If you follow this 10 checklist, your shorts will perform better instantly. But how do you come up with ideas to make videos? If you want to learn how to do this, kindly check out the video above, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.